Yes, you read the title right. We are finally building a chopper. Yes! Okay. As a base, I have chosen this Suzuki LS650 Savage from 1995. I decided to go with the Savage because they are small, simple, nimble and cheap. And this single 650 cubic centimeters cylinder just looks so mean. I have already pulled quite a few bits off the bike, so I won't show you that. Instead I thought I would show you when I make the first important part for the new chopper, the Sissy Bar. That thing in the back, that's from my first attempt at making a Sissy Bar. Let's have a quick look at that. Being my first ever go at making a Sissy Bar, I still feel that this turned out quite alright. But the bend here at the top is way too wide and I couldn't get it to close enough to actually fit on the bike. And it's actually pretty uneven as well. And I also learned that I couldn't get the bar quite hot enough on my barbecue to make any real difference when bending it. So if anyone has any tips on how to make it hot enough on a regular barbecue, please let me know in the comments. Anyways, enough about this old scrap, let's get back to the second attempt. At this point I was pretty happy. I got the Sissy Bar welded to the brackets and I was ready to start working on the seat pan. But when I did, I realized that the Sissy Bar was actually quite crooked and bent. And I also felt that the way I attached the Sissy Bar to these brackets just wasn't gonna cut it. It didn't feel safe to keep going. So I broke the pieces apart and welded them back together. But a little more straight this time. Okay, this is the final result. Consider it being my first ever Sissy Bar, I'm pretty proud of it. You see this tiny hole right there? That's for a seat. I will make a custom king and queen seat for this bike. But that will be another video. If you want to catch that video, maybe consider subscribing. And if you like this video, maybe leave a like as well. Thank you for watching and I'll see you later. Bye!